Well, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Went on the Mekong, eat some bug larvae. Need more hands. Sweet. All right. Much better than the old wood chitty grub.
We got cockroaches, water bugs, grasshoppers.
Nice.
Another.
Very good. How good are these? This is what Australians should have. Old fan fly keeper offers. No, it's still moving. Straight out of the river. That's fresh fish. Good.
Bigger grasshoppers. They're just small ones, so I don't know if it's something different.
That's
Smaller ones. I think the smaller ones are probably the best.
yeah.
What about these cockroaches, water beetles? I don't think I've ever eaten those ones. I think they're a bit scary.
Polycarp. They're frogs.
How much is this?
25.
25. Yeah. It's not bad for big meat like that.
Yeah. Give that a go.
Good song.
Alright, let's give these suckers a try. I want many at once. Crunchy.